हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम ह्यूमन एनाटॉमी एंड फिजियोलॉजी सेकंड के यूनिट नंबर 1 नर्वस सिस्टम पर मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर विद सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। ये पार्ट 2 है हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम का। तो मॉडल क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड सॉल्यूशन ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। Question number 51. This neurotransmitter is most often associated with pleasure, reward, sensation. Answer is C. 52. Which neurotransmitter is involved in muscle movement? Answer is A. 53. Neurotransmitters are released from. Answer is B. 54. Glutamate. Answer is A. 55. Aspartate. Answer is A. 56. GABA. Answer is B. 57. The tiny gap between neurons where nerve impulses are sent from one neuron to another. Answer is A. 58. The name of the specialized gap between two neurons. Answer is D. 59. The proper name for brain chemicals. Answer is C. 60. Taste receptor are. Answer is D. 61. This part of the brain helps with balance and coordination by controlling how the muscle work together. Answer is B. 62. This part of the brain is the center of conscious thought. It controls our voluntary muscles movement like running and talking as well as our senses, hearing and tasting. Answer is A. 63. Several important involuntary functions such as breathing and heartbeat, digestion and sleep are controlled by the. Answer is C. 64. The spinal cord is part of the nervous system. Answer is A. 65. The brain is part of the nervous system. Answer is A. 66. This is part of our central nervous system and is responsible for connecting the brain to the rest of the body. Answer is B. 67. The cerebrum contains the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for. Answer is C. 68. The hippocampus is the part of the brain that. Answer is D. 69. The brainstem or medulla is the part of the brain that controls. Answer is A. 70. These three parts work together to make up the central nervous system. They are the. Answer is A. 71. The three main parts of the brain are. Answer is B. 72. The is the largest part of the brain. It is in charge of language, five senses, problem solving, movement and thoughts. Answer is A. 73. The dash control, balance, posture and coordination. Answer is B. 74. Another name for the medulla is the. Answer is A. 75. What helps warn us and protect us? Answer is B. 76. An example of a reflex is. Answer is B. 77. What is the correct order of the meningeal layer from deep to superficial? Answer is D. 78. The dash connect the third and fourth ventricles. Answer is A. 79. Cerebrospinal fluid is made in the ventricles by a structure called the. Answer is D. 80. Which structure separate the left and right hemisphere of the cerebrum? Answer is C. 81. What make up the central nervous system? Answer is D. 82. What does the cerebrum control? Answer is A. 83. What does the cerebellum control? Answer is B. 84. The spinal cord is. Answer is C. 85. What is this? It coordinates muscle movement. Answer is B. 86. The brainstem control. Answer is A. 87. What is commonly referred to as the little brain? Answer is A. 88. What is not a lobe in the human brain? Answer is A. 89. There are dash meningeal layer that surround the brain. Answer is C. 90. Cerebrospinal fluid is secreted by. Answer is A. 91. The inner layer is called as. Answer is A. 92. The middle layer is called as. Answer is B. 93. The outer layer is known as. Answer is B. 94. The meninges means. Answer is A. 95. The meninges are made up of. Answer is A. 96. What are the layers of membranes that surround the brain and spinal cord known as? Answer is B. 97. What is the name of the fluid that protects and helps nourish the central nervous system? Answer is C. 98. What are the interconnected cavities that are filled with cerebrospinal fluid? Answer is D. 99. Where is the first ventricle located? Answer is A. 100. Where is the second ventricle located? Answer is B. 101. Where is the third ventricle located? Answer is C. 102. Where is the fourth ventricle located? Answer is D. 103. The thalamus and hypothalamus are located in the. Answer is C. 104. In humans, the number of spinal nerves is. Answer is B. And last question 105. Which is not a reflex action?